Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Blinky Bot interactive AI robot toy. So you might be wondering, what is this Blinky Bot that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Blinky Bot here is a mobile AI powered robot designed to help families, couples, and friends stay connected from anywhere. Now, according to the official website here, it's essentially a robot on wheels with a built-in 4K camera, microphone, speaker, and app control, allowing you to remotely drive it around the home while seeing and talking to the people on the other end in real time. Now, instead of making regular video call, the robot lets you move around the room, create a more interactive experience, or creating those interactive experiences. Now, the robot comes with several features aimed at remote communication, but this depends on which version you're getting. Now, includes 4K video streaming, two-way audio, 360-degree movement, obstacle avoidance, automatic return to charging, and a 5,000 mAh battery that the company says that lasts up to 30 days on a single charge, now depending on usage. Now, the robot connects to Wi-Fi, has no stated distance limit for remote control, and can be operated through a free mobile app from anywhere with an internet connection. It also includes 15 LED facial expressions that give the robot a more playful personality during conversations, and the Blinky Bot Echo model is currently listed at $287.99, discounted from the $359.99 with free standard shipping and a 30-day money back or satisfaction guarantee, according to the official store here. Now, getting started using the robot here is very simple. So after unboxing the robot, you need to charge it first and basically press the power button. Now, download the Blinky Bot app by scanning the QR code included in the manual, then connect the robot to your home's 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network by following the in-app setup instructions. Now, once paired, you can control the robot directly from your smartphone, drive it through your home, start live video calls, talk through the built-in speaker and microphone, and view everything the camera sees in real time. Now, when the battery becomes low, the robot is designed to return to its charging dock automatically. Now, one of Blinky Bot's biggest strength is making remote conversation feel more natural than a standard video call. Now, because you can move around the house instead of leaving a phone or tablet in one place. Now, it's easier to interact with family members, check on children, visit elderly relatives, or even see what pets are doing while you're away. Now, the combination of ability, two-way communication, and remote control gives it more flexibility than a fixed indoor security camera. And basically, if you have any questions before purchasing the product, you could also visit their official website here, and you can reach out to them via the official website or via their official email address here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.